Are you ready to transform your health and wellness journey? Join us for a life-changing event at the Wellness Blitz. Ignite your health on the 19th of October 2024 from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at YMCA 1N 6th Street, Milton Keynes, MK9 2NR. This event is packed with activities designed to help you embrace a healthier lifestyle. Dive into the nutrition workshops that offer insights into balanced diets and healthy living. Get your heart pumping with exciting ball games and energizing aerobic dance fitness sessions. Don't miss the chance to unwind with a relaxing body massage. And that's not all. Enjoy refreshing snacks and beverages throughout the day to keep you fueled and hydrated. Our distinguished speakers: Pastor Solution Lawrence Oji, founder of Saving Hands and Rapid Response, Sharp; Counselor Nana Oguntola, author of Running Chronicles and 21 African Queens Every Young Girl Should Know; Tamara Geturu, Youth Science Studies Enabler; Fran Uhebu, renowned nutritionist. Meet our fitness experts: Maria Claire Graham, founder of Shima Dance; Alicia Bleshut, health and wellness coach; Rosalind Courtney, sports massage therapist. Guiding us through this incredible day is our host, Queen Christy Amalo, JP, CEO of A Well Woman Network UK CIC, and our dynamic MC, Princess Loretta Equincy, CEO of ASA Global Resources. Groove to the beats of DJ Tune as he keeps the energy high throughout the event. Promoted by Nikki Emelike, CEO of Nisdan College, this event is brought to you with the general support of Sport England and the National Lottery. This event is absolutely free. However, donations are welcome to support our cause. Visit our website at www.awellwomannetwork.com for more information. For inquiries, reach out to the numbers on display. Follow us on Facebook at A Well Woman Foundation for updates. Mark your calendar, grab your sport gear, and invite your friends. Let's make this a day of health, fun, and connection. See you at the Wellness Blitz.